Welcome to EatRightify. In this video, we will walk you through the various roles and features of our website. Let's get started. There are 5 actors in this video: meeting the guest. Ting can view the listed product, as well as looking at other products in our website. He can use filter category to see the product he needs. Or he can use a search bar, which will show him the exactly product he needs to see. And you can switch regions and it will show you different products. If he play around enough, he can see that our website is responsive. It can show on mobile phone as good as laptop, with all the features you need. As a customer, you will definitely can see the product detail, which he can add to cart. But mind the number, you can add to cart too much, it will throw an error. Put in an appropriate amount and you can add it to cart. In the cart section, you can see the amount you want to buy, as well as removing it. Ting can also stay up to date with the latest trend and expert advice throughout blog section. In the blog, there will be a view count, an author, and a date rated. And you can scroll down to see the content of the blog. Beside the blog section is the location. You must provide the GPS location so that it can work properly. If you deny it, then you can use this feature unless you allow it. Then you can use the map section. In this feature, you can see the store name and the detail. If you click on a store location, it will show you a path to the store, which is the quickest way to the store. You can use the shopping cart. You can increase the value, decrease it, or remove the item from the shopping cart. Then he must provide a series of information so that he can purchase them. And of course, we'll catch the invalid exception. And then he can use a voucher to discount. Of course, we catch all the exceptions, like that the voucher is expired. If he provides a good enough voucher, then he can use it. Then he can purchase. There are 2 main ways to purchase. First, with money. If he must purchase with money, after the success order, it will provide our email so that he can use the code in that email to check for the order. We also catch exception in this section. It means if you input an invalid order, it will do nothing. After input an valid order, it will show you an order detail section where you can check your order. We also have order payments, like using VNPay. We press continue after provide the information and we will take you to this screen. VNPay have a lot of banks that you can use, and after input a valid information and press continue, you will head to this page, which you can use the previous step to check your order. And we also use plugin with chat messenger, but you have to log in first. Then you can chat with the admin, and it is in real time so you can see the messages right away. There you go. And now we are heading to the register account sections. As you can see, we catch all the exceptions like email and password. If he registers successfully, then we will move to the verifying code section, which there's an email. After successfully verify, you will move to login and go to the homepage. Now, Ting can use his account to login. Of course, we cut all the exception here too. But what if Ting suddenly forgets his passwords? Then the forgot section is for him. He needs to provide his email. After that, there will be an email with a refresh code. He will use that code and enter a new password. After that, he can use it to log in. Then we will get to see Young, the customer. Just like Ting, Young can view all the products as well as their detail. But he is more powerful than that. He can use the comment sections and then rate the product. The total rating will affect the product performance. Young can also edit his profile, like his name, his last name, or he can upload a new image for his liking. He can also change his password, but he must remember his old password first. If done, then he will have to use the forgot password feature. They're a little bit different in Young purchase. Unlike Ting, if he purchased successfully, we will move him to the other history sections, which he can see all of his purchase. Then, Young can use the search function to search for his order. He can also view order detail, and he can cancel an order too, but only if the order is in progress. Then he can provide reasons why he canceled the order. He can see his order cancel in the cancel section. If the order is complete and there is something wrong with the product, then he can refund the product by choosing a refund reason and then refund the product. Young also access to the AI helper, which he must agree to our policy first. If he agrees to our policy, then he can use the features. In these features, he could provide his details like height, weight, and allergies. And there are many informations or number he has to fulfill before using the AI generations. After successfully provide his information, he will hit the submit button, and the AI here, which is ChatGPT, he will collect his information and send it to him. Who's he? He's the verifier. He plays a crucial role in ensuring that the meal plans generated by our ChatGPTs align with each customer goals and requirements. He will verify the accuracy of the meal plans and make any necessary adjustment, taking into account each customer's unique goal, dietary restrictions, and health conditions. He will provide personal feedback and recommendation to customers, ensuring that they receive a diet plan that is tailored to their specific need. After that, our customer will receive an email that contains the product link to the product, which will be suitable for their needs and requirement. Another important actor is Tan, the manager. Through the manager dashboard, Tan can access available insight, analytics, and statistics, helping him make data-driven decisions to enhance the product qualities and user satisfactions. Then, he can manage the product. In the product management tab, there's a lot of products, and he can change regions, and there will be different products according to regions. He can filter each product by categories, and he can also find a product. Besides that, he can edit another product too. Then he can assign a category to them. A product can have multiple categories. There is also a comment section in each product, and he can see all the comments, in which he can delete the negative ones or untrue ones. Tan can also create a new product. He will need to provide all the information in the field in the Add New Product menu, and then he can create one. After create a new product, it will appear on the top of the list. He can also manage the category, and he can create new categories. He can also edit the category too. There is also a order management section, which you can view each order and change their progress. You can clearly see the progress have been changed. You can also edit the current order and confirm them after it has been delivered. There is also a block management section, which you can control all the block features, edit them, create a new one, or delete them. Then we will move our attention to the promotion management. You can say it is almost the same as order management. You can edit them, delete them, or create a new one. There's something special about code promotions as you can change their active state from active to inactive. Then we can have the location management, which we can create a new store, edit them. There is also a feature I want to talk about. It is the status. If the store status is inactive, then the user cannot see the store on their map. Only when the store status is active, it means they are open to sell product, then it will be enabled to see on the map. Tan can also create a new store by clicking on the map. He will not need to care about latitude or longitude because we already take care of that. He will just need to input a name and descriptions and his store will be ready to go. As you can see, the new store appear on the map. And there's also a statistic management which will show you the best selling product. You can put a range in the day section so that you can see which product are performing the best in which range update. Tan can also see which product is with the most common, or the user with the most successful order, or he can see the user with the most common on product. Last but not least, we have Gig, the administrator. Gig can view a list of users and then update them. After we successfully edit, you can save it. We also make a feature calling ban and unban user. You can ban a user by clicking on them, ban them. As you can see, they have been banned. And we can log out to check if they are banned. I'm using the ban account, and after I hit login, there will be a pop-up saying that I have been banned. And I have to log into the admin account to unban them. This feature is used to control and eliminate toxic users from our website, so that it will contain a peaceful and safe environment for our user to use. It can also delete the users or assign a role into them. It can assign multiple roles into a user. So that when we log in, we can see the account have 4 roles: the user, the manager, the administrator, and the verifier. We have mastered the decentralization features. A user can have many different roles depending on the number of roles he owns. These features mark the end of our demo. Thanks for your attention.